Hello, we're going to get started with foundations today. So I'm going to go through your sound cards, and as I'm doing them, just like we would do them in the classroom, I want you to repeat after me, okay? V van v, W win w, B bat b, C cat k, M man m, A apple a, R rat L lamp ol, E ed U up J jug j, T top t, D dogged, H hat, P pamp, Y yellow ya, X fox x, K kike, Z zebras, F fun, N nut n, O octopus ah, G game g, S snakes, Q U queen qua, CK sock k, CH chin ch, WH whistle w, SH ship sh, TH thumb th. Okay, this past week we worked on glued sounds and bonus letters, okay? So bonus letters was whenever we add a letter at the end of a word and it does not change the way that the word sounds, right? So I want to show you a couple of those to review. So let's go ahead, let's tap out this word, okay? S, miss. Now if I add an S on the end, a bonus letter, let's see if it changes. S, miss. Doesn't change it, right? That is a bonus letter. Whenever the word does not sound different after we add a letter on the end. However, for a glued sound, we talked about a glued sound this week. A glued sound is a sound of letters put together, and when you tap it out, those letters make one sound, right? So the one we talked about was all. So let's tap out some words with it. K, all, call. All, fall. T, all, tall. W, all, wall. The only thing we've been changing is the first letter. So at the end, we're hearing that glued sound of all. A-L-L put together. Let's do one more. B, all, ball. So I want you guys to remember this week the difference between a glued sound and a bonus letter. A bonus letter is whenever the letter is tacked on to the end of the word, but it does not change the way that the word is pronounced. A glued sound is letters that are put together and you say the sound all together, kind of like what we do with digraphs. Okay guys, that is it for foundations.